at Socialized Marketing in downtown Boise, Idaho. We're here at the top of the Hoff building, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 SEO trends that you should focus on in 2020. So the first one is content is king. High quality content still has the most impact when it comes to search ranking. Make sure your content is informative, readable, and unique. Number 2 is user-focused optimization. You need to make sure you are optimizing your content for your target audience. Number 3 is optimization with AI. The top 3 AI marketing tools to pay attention to in 2020 are BrightEdge, Pave AI, and Ink. Number 4 is visual search optimization. Visual search uses real-life images like photos and screenshots to find anything online. So make sure you're using images relevant to your page topics and high resolution. And last but not least is number 5, voice search optimization. So this is similar to the visual search, and we're going to focus on the voice search as well. So we're making sure that you are considering user intent or the reason why someone asks or searches for something online. So make sure you're focusing on those 5 when it comes to SEO trends for 2020. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Eyes on Digital. Catch you next time.